Hi everyone, I'm Pan Li. This is my first assignment of a Foundation Software Engineering course, FSE Chatroom application. This application has those functionalities. User can enter the chat room with name, and once he or she logs in, the user can see previous chat messages from other users and himself. For each user, he can post a chat message and leave the chat room. As for the technology used in this application, I divided it into two categories. One is for server side, and the other is for client side. And for the server side, I used the Express.js, which is a kind of web application framework, and also is the server-side script. The Socket.io is a JavaScript library for real-time communication between the web client and servers. And I use the SQLite SD database to store users' data. As for the client side, I use the jQuery as the client-side script and use HTML, CSS, especially using Bootstrap open resources for the style of web page. I designed this FSE Chatroom application based on MVC Module View Controller, the basic software architectural pattern. The basic structure is shown in the left. What is worth mentioning that all of the third-party not-packaged modules, like Socket.io, SQLite, are in Not Modules folder. At first, the model. Express have no notion for database. Therefore, I need to add a third-party node modules for database system in this application. I chose the most basic database, SQLite. Here is the part of code in my application. Then, as for views, it provides templates which are rendered and served by rules. I choose a templates engine, the EGS, to render variables, and I put all static fields like images, CSS, and JavaScript in public folder. Here is the part of code of HTML, CSS, and JS. At last, for the controller. Actually, I still don't understand this part of Express framework. At first, I think the app.js is the controller of the application, but it's just the start point of the application. It loads everything and begin serving user requests. Here is the part of code to load modules and routine. Last but not least, let's do the demo for my MSE application. First, let's run the application. Then I open two different browsers as two different users. Here is the FSE application. User can enter the name. And after login, here first display the previous chat history from previous users, and all of the messages are in gray color. Contains the message username, the time, and the content. And here display the name of a current user, and here display the system message. Now the user can post a new message. Here is the new message. And as for the another user can see the message in real time without refresh the browser. And what's more, the user can log out with click on the button. And here will display a system message to prompt other users. And this is all about my simple chat room application. Thank you.